G'day, and welcome back to another episode of Big Red Adventures.
It's Ben here. I've just got myself a kayak and I'm going to go test it out at Lake Wivenhoe. It's located pretty close to Brisbane, not far of a drive at all, and it's an absolute beautiful location. I'm going to be doing some kayaking, some fishing, and also cooking up a nice feed.
Alright, so I am currently on my way to the Wivenhoe Dam. About 35 minutes away. Map says I'm going to get there about 12:30, 12:40, so pretty perfect time of day. Heaps of daylight left and should be plenty of good fishing. Bought a new kayak this morning, pretty keen to go check it out, give it a good run out. There's heaps of areas to explore in this dam. I've been here once before just to visit, but I've never fished here before, so I'm pretty keen to check it out and see what we can get up to. Hopefully catch some fish, and yeah, time to put some kilometers under the belt. Let's do it. Alright, so that was the first maiden voyage with the new kayak. Bit more effort involved in paddling a kayak than I thought. I've only come from over there just to this little shady spot. I saw this shady spot about halfway and was like, yeah, that seems like a good spot to stop. Yeah, quite tiring doing the paddling on the kayak. Another thing, halfway across, I did realize that I had forgotten to grab the bait out of the car. I thought about it when I was grabbing everything to put in the kayak and completely forgot. So I'll have to quickly re-rig my line up here to chuck a lure on, and then we'll give that a crack, see how that goes. All right, so I've hooked up a new hook and I'll put a lure on that. Ooh, I don't know if you just saw that there. What I have been seeing and hearing in this area for the last few minutes is a lot of little bust ups on the surface. There's definitely some fish here, so I'm pretty keen to chuck a lure on and send a few lines out, see how we go. Got a few options here. Got these 3 options. What are we thinking? What do we think these fish are gonna be looking for? I'm gonna start with this bad boy. I like the big tail, the sparkly. Feeling good about this one, so I'll chuck this lure on and we'll give it a crack. Nothing yet, but there was a couple of little fish that followed it in, so might move a little bit further down. We'll try and see if there's something going on down there. Nada. Tell you what, I'm kicking myself that I did not bring the bait over. I feel like I've been hearing a lot of splashing in and around this area. This would be prime location. Send out a line and just sit and wait. I've worked up a bit of an appetite though from paddling all the way over here, so I think I'll head back, cook up a little lunch. I brought some food with me, and there's plenty of free barbecues here. It's a great little spot, this Lake Wivenhoe. Definitely recommend it. Not far from Brisbane at all. We are back, on our way back to where we started. Pretty easy to get into. So yeah, I guess I should tell the story of this kayak while I'm paddling back. I found it on Marketplace. Always love a good scroll through Marketplace. I wasn't really even on the radar for a kayak. Like, I'd thought about it, but this one popped up. Pretty good value. Came with the seat, the paddle obviously, and the GoPro is currently attached to a rod holder, which is, you know, just like enough basics to get you going. Because of course, like the seat and the rod holder are extras, and there's probably a bunch of other little things I want to get over time, but it was a good start. Pretty good value, I thought. So this is, ooh, already feels a bit wobbly. This is interesting. I guess I won't put like, I'm already out into deeper waters. I don't really need to put like a big cast on it. It's got the lure on. Be interesting if I actually pull in a fish here, how that would go. Ooh, oh, that's a pelican over in the distance. I don't know if you'll be able to see that actually, but I've just heard some splashes out in this little area here. So I might try and cast a few lines out there, see if we can get lucky. No luck, no bites at all, no hits. That's all right though. I still got the bait, we can try. I think I'll start paddling back now though. It's getting, that's our destination there, not too far. But yeah, the sun's starting to dip a little bit. It's getting to that point. Need to quickly get something in the belly and then get that bait out there, see if we can get lucky. Let's see if we can catch something before we run out of sunlight. I've been debaited there, so lots of bites. We could be on here. They got me again. I'm getting bites as soon as I cast out, so surely, hopefully it's not just like little fish that are just picking our way at it. Hopefully there's a big one out there as well that'll latch onto that hook. Fella, but better than nothing in the end, eh? At least I got something for my efforts today. he got away all good. It was a bit of a doozy. It was coming up through the top of his head, that hook, but he swam away, so should be all right. Looks like it might just be the small little guys kind of stealing the bait. That one I just tried to like time it on the hit, reel it in, pull it back, and it hooked him. We'll keep trying a few more, but that sun is getting pretty low. We'll see if we can land that big juicy boy. I think we'll probably call it here. I get the feeling it is just those little guys at the moment. If only I'd had the bait out in the deeper waters with the kayak earlier. Next time, and there will be a next time, I'll go to a different area of the lake. I'll take the kayak out with the bait into the deeper waters, and we'll see if we can catch some decent fish. It'll be interesting in the kayak. I don't have much room in there, so pretty keen to try that out. But I think we're gonna pack up now before that sun gets too low and we can't see anything.